In October, the Western Tidewater Regional Jail promoted their first female captain, Captain Tanya Blair.
Captain Blair, who has been working at the jail since 1992, is incredibly enthusiastic about the new job and will contribute greatly to the Western Tidewater Regional Jail through her new position. The employees and prisoners there will also benefit from her. When interviewed by the Suffolk News Herald, Captain Blair tells them in regards to the new promotion, "I am thankful." According to the Suffolk News Herald, Blair's promotion puts her in charge of 27 staff members in the intake and release, property, classification, work release, and work divisions of the jail.
More and more women are becoming a part of the law enforcement system. This promotion reflects a change occurring nationwide. According to data collected by the U.S. Bureau of Justice in 2008, 14% of officers in the Federal Bureau of Prisons are women, which is a 2% increase since 1998. Hopefully, Captain Blair is the first of many women moving up in the ranks of law enforcement.
For further information on work being done at the Western Tidewater Regional Jail, please visit www.wtrj.org.